Hi everyone, I'm Chef David, Vice President of Culinary for HHS. Every day we have the privilege of making food that is nourishing, delicious, and comforting. One of my personal favorites is the pulled pork. So today I'm going to show you how to make that pulled pork at home using the same recipe we use every single week. So if you're ready, let's go beyond the plate.
All right, well this recipe couldn't really be any easier to implement. I mean, it's only got 4 ingredients. We've got paprika, garlic powder, brown sugar, and ground mustard. And all we're going to do is dump all that into a bowl. Make sure it gets nice and blended. I'm just going to take it and give our pork butt a nice coating. Really get in there, rub it in there really good. Now I am posting this recipe in the comments below, so if you're wondering what ratio I used on the ingredients, it's all there. It's going to be listed for you. Now we're going to wrap this, put this in the cooler for a minimum of 1 hour. You can even leave it overnight if you want. Really, the choice is yours. I think 1 hour is all you need. All right, our pork is seasoned. I'm going to put it out here on the smoker. I'm going to set this to about 300 degrees. It's going to take about an hour and a half per pound. If you don't have a smoker at home, don't worry about it. The cooking method is going to be exactly the same in the oven. Let's fire this guy up. Let's get it going. I'm going to use charcoal and pecan wood. Pecan wood is just one of my favorite types of wood, and it's readily available here in Texas. So let's get this thing fired up. All right, we're holding steady at 300 degrees. Let's go ahead and get this on there and get it started. Let's take a look. We're about 6 hours later. This pork is sitting at an internal temperature of 175. I'm gonna pull it out, wrap it in butcher paper, put it back on until it hits 210, and then we're all done. Let's take a look, see how it came out. Take a look at this beautiful plate. I mean, what's not to like on here? You've got pulled pork, barbecue sauce, sweet potato fries, creamy coleslaw. This is a meal that we give to people every single week, and it's absolutely delicious. I can't wait to dive in here. I'm so excited. I'm barely able to contain myself to finish talking to you guys, but really hope you enjoy cooking with me. Can't wait to do it again. Until next time, thanks for going beyond the plate.